Creating a clone effect in Adobe Premiere Pro involves duplicating a person or object in a scene. Here's a basic guide to help you achieve this effect. Set up your shot. Use a tripod to keep the camera steady. Have the subject perform different actions or positions in the same frame. Record your footage. Record the scene with the subject performing the desired actions. Import footage. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project. Import your recorded footage into the project. Create a sequence. Drag your footage to the timeline to create a sequence. Position the clips. Position the clips on different video tracks in the timeline so that they overlap. Masking. Select the top clip on the timeline. Go to the Effects Control panel. Use the Pen tool to create a mask around one instance of the subject in the top clip and click on Invert. Change the mask feather to 100. Change the mask expand to 10. Export. Once satisfied, export your video. Remember, achieving a realistic clone effect may require some patience and experimentation, especially when dealing with complex movements. Additionally, you can explore other effects and adjustments to enhance the overall look of your clone effect. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.